Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools and gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're featuring the best Sargots Ratchet Set 24-in-1, the NEIKO 03069A 3/4-inch drive extendable ratchet handle. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable, and versatile tool, this ratchet set is definitely one to consider. The NEIKO 03069A ratchet set stands out thanks to its extendable handle that can adjust from 24 inches to an impressive 39 3/4 inches. This feature gives you the extra reach you need when working in tight spaces, and the longer handle allows for increased torque, making it perfect for those tough jobs. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is a game-changer. Crafted from drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, the NEIKO ratchet handle is built to withstand tough conditions. It's abrasion, oxidation, corrosion, and shock-resistant, ensuring a long lifespan even with heavy-duty use. This is the kind of tool that's made to last, giving you peace of mind for years to come. One of the standout features is the 24-tooth ratchet mechanism, which rotates in 15-degree increments. This allows for smooth and precise control when loosening or tightening fasteners. The reversible ratcheting feature means you can quickly change the direction, making the job more efficient. While the quick-release drive head allows for easy socket changes, the extendable design is incredibly easy to use. Simply pull the handle to adjust its length, and you've got the ideal tool for any situation. It locks securely in place, so you can apply maximum force without worrying about it slipping. Whether you're working on a car, furniture, or any other heavy-duty task, this tool gives you the perfect balance of strength and precision. This is a tool that's designed for professionals but is also perfect for home use. The NEIKO 03069A is a multi-use ratchet that handles everything from automotive repairs to construction work. The sturdy build and flexibility make it a must-have in any toolbox. In conclusion, if you're looking for a ratchet set that offers both durability and versatility, the NEIKO 03069A is your go-to tool. It's a reliable, professional-grade option for anyone in need of a heavy-duty ratchet wrench. Be sure to check it out and see how it can help you tackle your next project. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.